friends, let's have some fun. Join us now, we're just getting started.
We're going to need some yarn, so I've just picked up some thick yarn and I've gotten a 5mm hook so you can see what I'm doing. So once you get your yarn, I'll meet back up with you to show you what to do.
In a world of treasures, big and small trinkets.
Righto, so I'm just going to quickly do a slip stitch and then I'm going to chain up 2. 1, 2. Now into the second stitch from the hook, so 1, 2, into this stitch here, we're going to yarn over and go through that loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Now we're going to make sure when we go through the next stitch, we're just going through this bottom stitch. Okay, so there'll be 3 stitches in total. You should be able to see them. There's 1 here, 2, and then 3. So this bottom stitch should be the one that is pretty predominantly through that bottom. Okay, so we yarn over and then we go through that stitch. Yarn over and then we pull through all loops on the hook. Yarn over. So now again we're going to be going through this bottom stitch. Yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over through the loop. Yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, go through that bottom loop. Yarn over, and then we pull through all 3 on the hook. Yarn over, going through that bottom loop. Yarn over, pull through that loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And I'll show you that one more time. Yarn over, going through that bottom loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3. So that's how you do a half double crochet foundation. So just keep in mind, this is the bottom of the stitch and this is the top of the stitch. Thank you for stopping in and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.
Trinkets ready to explore.